Hey, hi all. In this video, we will discuss about product bundle. So basically, what is product bundle? When we sell a particular product with some other products, or we cannot sell. Hey, hi all. In this video, we will discuss about product bundle. So first of all, what is product bundle? When the products are bundled or they are grouped according to some of the features or categorization, or if we want to sell a particular product with some of the required components with that particular product, then we create a bundle for that product. So that is known as a product bundle or a bundled product. So for an example, this is an bundled product. That is, we have a laser printer. So the laser printer is the main product or the parent product. Then we have product options. In that, the first option is printer toner, printer paper, and then printer tray. So if we buy a laser printer, what type of printer toner we want, what type of paper we want, what type of tray we want. So these are the options under this product. So this is the main product, and these are the options for that particular main product. So there are three options in it. So now we will go to the org and we will see how it works. So just so we are the org. So for an example, I will go to one of the code. So for an example, I go to this code. Now, if I want to add some products in this, then we have to go to edit lines. And as of now, there is no product under this code. So I will just add some products in it. So I will just add product, and the name of the product will be this. So laser print is the name of the product. I will select it. Once I click on select this particular product, so then according to the product options and features which we have configured, we will get an option to select. So for an example, this particular product, that is printer toner. The name of the product is printer toner cartridge. So this product is required and selected. So we can, this particular checkbox is grayed out. We cannot uncheck this box. By default, these two things are checked. If we want, we can uncheck them. If we want, we can select them without any option, means like without any issue. Now, this particular product, that is printer high capacity tray, this product is not selected and it is not required. So there is an option. If we want, we can add it. If you don't want, then we can remove it. So for an example, first of all, I will select this three product. I will just hit save. So these three products will be added to this code. There will be code lines created for this four products input. So as you can see, printer toner, then printer paper tray, printer paper letter is there. And as you can see, list unit price of one is included in this bundle. So you don't have to pay extra for this particular product. Individually, this all are products, but they have added, we have added, or we have configured them in such a way that they are options to that particular main product, that is laser print. So as you can see, this particular thing is included in this package, so in this bundle, so no extra cost will be paid by you or by customer. It will be included in that. For an example, when we buy any stuff like phone or anything, then we just get a user manual that is included in that particular product. The price of that particular thing is included in that product only, so we don't have to pay some extra money for that particular user manual. So that is the case. Now, how this thing is coming, or why this is included and this is not, so this all thing have been built. We have options, we have some fields which configure this particular stuff. So for an example, if we go to the products, so laser printer is the main product. Then if you go to the related list, or if you see here related list, quick links, we have options. So I will just go to the related list. We have 4 options. So if you open any one of the options, so for an example, I will open this. So in this particular option, product option, we have configured SKU, that is laser printer. That's why we are able to see this particular product or this particular product option under this product. When we have selected laser printer, then only we will get this particular product option there, because in the configured SKU we have selected this laser printer and we have marked selected and required as checked. That's why when we were trying to add the product, for an example, I will just try to add the same product again, laser printer. As you can see, when I'm trying to add the product, so I'm getting in the option, I'm not able to deselect this. The reason is because it is selected and it is required. So if it is not required, then it will be just selected like this. You have an option to remove it from the quote, you have an option to add it, but if it is required and selected, you don't have that option. Okay. Then one thing we have, that is uh, the price of this thing. Okay, so I will again go to that page. Okay, I will go to that code. I will go to edit lines. Add products. And again it's laser. I will select it. So if this both checkbox are checked, that means the particular product option will be selected and you cannot remove it from that particular code if that particular product is if the main product is selected. For example, in laser printer we have an option printer toner cartridge, and that particular thing is required and selected as well, so we cannot make any change in that this thing. Okay, now if I go to this thing, for an example, I will go on product option. That is, oh, one was included, right? So in this, if you will go to letter, printer paper letter, so in this you can see it is selected but it is not required. That's why it was by default selected when we were trying to add that particular product, but we have an option to unselect that checkbox. And then moving ahead, we have one option, that is printer paper tray. In this, as you can see, this particular bundle checkbox is checked. That's the reason the particular price component was included. So if this particular checkbox is checked in a product option, so at that time the product or the price will not be in, oh sorry, there will be no extra cost. The price will be included in that particular package or in that particular product bundle. It will be included, no extra cost you have to pay if that particular checkbox is checked. So there are multiple fields which drive that particular configurator page, like what all options or what all options or what all things you can edit on that particular page. That is code edit lines configurator page or code line editor quote line configurator page. That all drives from this particular selection of fields from product option and from the products. Like there are different fields, what will be the configuration type, what will be the configuration event. So in the upcoming videos we will discuss about some of the fields which are on products and that drive the, like, what all things we can edit on the configurator page. And in product option there are many fields which drive, like, if this particular thing is required or it will be selected by default, and means like, how much should be the quantity, what will be the upper limit for that quantity. That all things we can choose here. For an example, what will be the minimum quantity, we can define here. What will be the maximum quantity for this option, we can drive here. If whether the quantity for this particular product option will be editable or not, that we can set, or that we can decide on this particular product option record, so that later on when we go to the quote line editor, we can make the changes as and when required to that particular product. So these all things we will discuss in deep in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day.